Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the device and account are ready. This avoids verification delays. Once your iPhone has the latest iOS and the new number can receive SMS, open Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the specific card tied to the old number, because each card manages contact info separately. Tap the info or three dots to view card details. Make changes only after you've verified the new number is active. Otherwise, verification messages will fail and you'll stall here. Next, you update the contact number inside the card details because Apple Pay uses that phone for bank or card alerts. Tap Edit on billing info, change the phone field to the new number, and save. You'll often be prompted to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Do that immediately to confirm identity. Once saved, expect a verification SMS from your bank or Apple. Make sure to grant that message and enter any code. If a verification fails, retry with correct formatting and country code. To finish, double-check the card now displays the updated phone and perform a small purchase to confirm alerts and receipts route correctly. If the card still uses the old number or verification never arrives, remove the card from Wallet and re-add it after restarting the iPhone. This forces a fresh sync. Alternatively, contact your bank. Sometimes they must update their records. If messages are blocked, verify carrier SMS settings and that you're not signed into a different Apple ID, because mismatched accounts break verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.